Good morning students, I am Miss Kiran. Today I will teach you English subject of class UKG. I had taught you in previous video vowel sound E, some words of EN, N sound words and ET sound words. And today I will teach you further ED, ED sound words and EG, EG sound words. Okay? So this is the vowel sound E, the second part of vowel sound E. Okay? So we'll see one by one. What are those words? ED, ed sound words. BED, bed. RED, red. LED, led. FED, fed. WED, wed. Once again we will read BED, bed. RED, red. LED, led. FED, fed. WED, wed. So these are the words of ed sound words. We can say it rhyming words also because these are the words of same sound words. Okay? When we read all these words, so ed sound word was coming. And all these words are of 3 letters. Yes? If we count 1, 2, 3, in every word there are 3 letters. Okay? So what is the meaning of bed? Bed means bistar, where we sleep. RED, red. Red means red, lal color. Okay? LED, lead means अगवा करना, किसी को पकड़ के ले जाना, that is called lead. FED, fed means खिलाना. WED, wed means शादी. Now we will learn EG, egg sound words. What is egg sound words? First word is BEG, beg. LEG, leg. KEG, keg. PEG, peg. EGG, egg. Once again, we'll read together, okay? BEG, beg. LEG, leg. KEG, keg. PEG, peg. EGG, egg. Here also same way, when we read all these words, there was egg sound words was coming. Because in every word there is EG is added. So these all words are called rhyming words also. Okay? And there are 3 letters in every word. Like if we count here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Like same way we count, we'll find that there are 3 letters of every word. Now what is the meaning of beg? Beg means भीख मांगना. Leg means पैर. Keg means container, round container made of metal or wooden, that is called keg. PEG, peg. Peg means the like hook to anything to hang on the wall with made of wood or metal, that is called a peg. Now EGG, egg means, you know, egg means anda. You like to eat egg? Yes? Okay, Sunday या Monday रोज खाए अंडे. So these are the words today we learned. First one was ED, ed sound words, and here EG, egg sound words. This in your book also you have to read and write Below that there are place given. If you have book, you can see it, same page. And also in your copy, English copy, you have to class copy, not in home copy. You have to write in class fair copy all these words neatly and learn the spelling also. So enough for today. Thank you.